welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a YouTube video to your Webflow website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your webflow.com and you will get right here. You have to open up the editor where you're working on your website. I have opened up this editor for a website that I have for the channel. I'll show you how to add a YouTube video. It's actually really easy. First of all, I'm going to click on this plus button and we're going to add a section to our website. So I'm just going to drag a section and place it right here. So we have a section right here. Once this section is added, now we will add a YouTube video here. For that, I'm going to actually go with a button. So click right here on this plus icon and then you can select different, blocks from here. We have different layouts and we have basics. So in basics, we have a button right here. We can scroll down in order to actually see the different typography and elements. You can see in media, we have a video option. So I'm going to drag the video and drop it right here. Now we have to enter the video URL. So you just have to copy and paste the URL of your YouTube video. So let's copy the link from our video. And now we're just going to click on the settings. Paste the link right here, and you can also add a title if you want to, so it will also fetch the title of your video automatically. Once you have added it, you can see the video will be added on your website. So this is how you add YouTube videos on your Webflow website. It's actually really easy to do. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.